Let's say, for example, we have a directory with a bunch of Excel files within it. And from every Excel file, we would like to delete one Excel sheet, for example, apples, because we are no longer growing apples in our file. This can be easily done using Advanced ETL Processor. Let me show how. So what we need to do, we need to add new workflow. And let's call it delete Excel sheets. And since we are going to work with all files in the directory, we need to be able to loop over them. So let's add a loop function. And set the file name. We need to change it slightly because we want to use mask. And we also need to copy a loop variable. The next step is to add another action. Called sheet. Just link it. Set the file. We need to say that it's a variable. And we need to say which sheet we would like to delete. It's called apples, I believe. Let's run it. It might fail. Yeah, no, it's fine. So let's go back to the directory and check if it is actually working for us. Okay, as you can see, we only have potatoes. And this is what we wanted. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please go to our support forum. And we will do our best to help you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.